What's up, people? Hello. So, I have this fresh ground turkey here, and I am about to make 3 meals out of this 3-pound ground turkey because each of them only call for one. So the first one to make is turkey burgers. So I probably only get like 2 burgers, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna make spaghetti. I'm gonna add some sausage to spaghetti, and then I'm gonna make dip. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna start with. What should I start with?
Which one's gonna be the easier to start with?
I think browning the meat is gonna be easiest. Oh, and I have to brown the meat for 2 of them. So I'm just gonna do all that together.
Look at our Halloween-esque living room. Show them the pumpkins. Show them the pumpkins. Allie's mom sent us pumpkins. This is Logan's.
Mine says, I solemnly swear them up to no good. And then Haley says, Muggles welcome. And so she made both of these. And I can't remember if she made that one or if she bought it. Okay.
Props to her if she did make this one though, because look at it. Is that bathroom clean?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do an impromptu apartment tour because I never did that. So that's what's happening now. Our kitchen. Our dysfunctional living room.
It is not this.
It's not dysfunctional. It's livable. It just needs to be decorated more. We need to finish it.
We really do. We keep saying.
Hey, I get paid on Friday if you want to go get stuff to fix it. I gotta go get something else to put in my room. We can go to IHOP too, yeah.
I think this smells too.
I need to get like a beanbag or like a moon chair or something to put in my room because it's a moon chair. Nothing much in the living bathroom. Haley's room. Second bathroom. My little rug. My room's kind of messy, but closet. Oh. And this is like the second arrangement of my room I've had. Ta-da! I did have my bed turned around that way. And my desk like closer to the window. But I moved it. And it's like this now. And I really need to get like decorations for my wall. Because it's boring. But I'm going to get like a tapestry or something put right there. And I'll probably put like a moon chair or a beanbag or something. And there's Logan's room.
I'm not kidding though. I'm not being sarcastic. Like, I love the Harry Potter handwriting.
Look how cute Logan's hair is.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, cool. Baby, I like the fact that Haley's like the W and the long like swirl. I love that.
So what are you doing? Still grounding the meat?
Yes, and first, which would be the easiest,
Wait, hang on a minute.
I'm just gonna do
So these were from
the dip
store?
first.
Like,
Because the dip, I'm just gonna put everything in there.
In the crock pot that we're not supposed to have.
We're not supposed to have a crock pot either?
I don't think so. We're definitely not supposed to have a toaster.
Do we not have a crock pot?
But we have one. Are you sure?
No, we can't.
He didn't say anything about it during the inspection.
Yeah, because I know we can't have a hot plate. But it turns on. You can't,
True.
Yeah, it has a time. So
I don't know why we can't have a toaster. They unplug.
It's because like it's the fire hazard. It has something to get inside of it easily, and it could like burn it up if it happens to be pushed down. Like, let's say if a paper's in there.
We need to throw away those Moe's chips.
Yeah, those things have been there. You can see the grease.
Sorry, Logan's also doing an impromptu Food Network cooking show that Haley's filming.
Cooking with Logan.
Oh, hey. Love you too.
Where do you want to put the pumpkins? We need to figure out a place for the pumpkins.
So, fun fact. So these ideas came from the fact that she went on like a store's website and she just looked at the ad and grabbed a Sharpie and just did it.
Does anyone want to help?
I can.
Help with what? Me?
What?
Duh. What are we doing?
I just need these cut in a chunk.
Oh, I'll do it.
You hear
Like squares, like
Wait, I'm so sorry. I'm like talking
like
the whole
like
time.
1 inch squares.
1 inch squares.
Just the whole entire hat.
I don't know what an inch
But
is.
or quite a few.
Get up on that camera.
I
Or
will.
the size from this to this.
Oh, wait, can
Wash
I
your
cut?
hands.
Can I cut this?
First rule of cooking. Wash your hands. Even when you're just chopping cheese, wash your hands or everyone's gonna die. Like that one lady on 1,000 Ways to Die where she would scratch her butt before she cooked.
Nasty ass.
Oh my gosh! Yes, she was in a hotel. She was in yes, that was so. Yo, she was like, oh, it's itching, and she killed everyone. She
You
killed
dry your
everyone.
hands because you don't want wet cheese.
Okay, what are we doing here?
We're chopping cheese.
What kind?
Velveeta,
Okay.
not sponsored. I love you, Velveeta. So we're just gonna chop this cheese for some cheese dip. Gotta open it carefully because she's fragile. She doesn't want her feelings hurt. Just open it like a diaper. And look at that, yum, 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 yum. Like, do you want squares, like, cut vertical and this way? Like this and this? Or just few.
Actually, could you do this and few?
Yeah.
So cut this one like this and this.
And then
Yes, you should. Yeah.
Okay. Feelings, got caught in my feelings, all up in the ceiling.
Or cut me.
It's a butter knife.
It's fine.
Sorry.
Camera girl injured in the process.
No alleys were harmed in the making of this cheese. However, some cows are probably hungry. But it's fine. We're not
What?
Yeah, because they took the milk from the mom, so the cows can't eat.
Okay.
We're going to get copyrighted. Feelings. Where does the cheese go? Where's the cheese go?
I don't need that. Huh? I don't need that. There's a whole chip in here. Haley, there's a chip in here.
How do you even get that out?
Okay, can you just go ahead and clean that?
Yeah, make sure your oven is clean and make sure these things are clean because you see this brown stuff, that's grease and it could catch on fire. But we do have a fire extinguisher and we do have fire alarms and we do know the number for 911.
I would really hope we know the number for 911.
Quick, what's the number for 911? Cuts to the fire station across the street.
Station 19.
Now, not all of it's going to come off because that means it's
Is Station
stained.
19 a Shadowrun show?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a good show though.
Oh, I know.
Oh, that's right, you watched it with us last year.
No, I need to say Shadowrun.
It's good, but it's bad.
Yeah, the big ball of set.
We don't appreciate Miss Shonda killing people.
Yeah.
Just call her Miss Shonda.
Yes.
Miss Shonda's so southern. We don't appreciate Miss Shonda killing people. Sounds like our neighbors. Like Miss Shonda is our neighbor or something.
That's how you respectfully call your elder. What's the update?
almost done. I had to add some of this in the crock pot with the cheese and the H.A.L.
Also not sponsored by H.A.L, sadly.
Give me salt.
We do, however, pay for salt.
You do that. This is cheaper. Okay. So I'm gonna add some seasoned salt to the dip, but not to the spaghetti. So I'm gonna wait till I take I'm just gonna put it directly in the dip. Turkey meat in. Oh, fat out.
All the vegans are triggered.
They are so triggered. They are so triggered. Actually, I'm not gonna make the hamburgers, so I'm just gonna put quite a bit in here.
What's happening?
So I put more than what I was going to. Is this enough for spaghetti or should I make some more?
That's enough.
You think so?
Yeah.
I'm about to put these in.
Vegan sugar to the extreme. I'll put a max. There's some sugar. There's some sugar. Here's some lettuce. That's a lot of cheese. What is a dip? So. Harmonize and go. I'm good.
That's fine. Go to turkey.
You're such a echo. I love it.
Okay, what's that?
Smell the cheese.
Turn all the
Tomatoes.
juice. I don't want the juices.
Tomatoes. ASMR. ASMR is. I need to take the trash out. Remind me to take the trash out.
You take the trash out. You know she does.
I hate that. And here we have the product of Logan's cooking.
Hello.
Not Allie, the food.
I didn't know where you were going with that because you said product of it. I'm like, where is this going?
But that's what happened.
It's really good.
And there's a blanket on the couch now.
Haley wouldn't know how good this is because she refuses to eat meat.
At least I'm not a vegan.
You just offended like half the population.
Well, I can't say much. I'm a vegetarian. But I still drink milk, even though I'm lactose intolerant. Boom, pop, boom, pop, boom, boom.
You're just not figuring this out.
All right, well, that's the end. Bye.
Bye.